Hello everyone, welcome to Jasleen Art Studio. First of all, I would like to thanks everyone, those who are liking my videos, those who are subscribing my channel. Thank you so much everyone, and those who have not subscribed my channel to watch more videos of art like this. First, subscribe my channel and like the video if you like watching it, like watching my work. So today we are going to make Zentangle art in this video, and for this you need pencil, eraser, black markers and sketch pen. So for the drawing, first you have to make the curvy lines like this, the designs of line like this as I'm making in this video. The lines should tangle each other, and wherever you feel the space left, you can mark the lines like this. And after making your drawing, your lines, you will start making, you will start doubling your lines. And remember one thing, when you are doubling the lines, the gaps should be equal from each and every corner. Okay, so as you are seeing in this video, I'm making each and trying to making each and every line very fine, and the same way you have to do the same control you have to make on your on your hand when you are doubling the line, because the gaps, it should be equal from each and every corner. I'm not making different gaps. The gap ones I have taken the same I'm going to maintain. Okay, it should not be thick and thin from each and from, from other side it is thick, and then from other side it is thin. It should not be like that. It should be equal, as you are also seeing in the video, observing, you can observe in the video. I'm trying to make the same gap of each and every line. And do not hesitate ever when you are to rub it properly and then make it again, because this is the only thing that is going to make your pattern beautiful. Okay, the rhythm, the movement should be shown in your lines. Fine, look, that was wrong, so I rubbed it. Okay, after doing this whole process, then we will start doing patterns in it. And look here, I'm making more lines, because I felt that the space was left, so I covered it with more lines so that I should get more space to make different patterns. And after that, now I'm rubbing the space where lines cross each other. Okay, and then again overlapping the lines, that it should, the lines should look that they are overlapping each other. You should create that kind of effect. Okay, you have to do each and every crossed line like this. You have to rub it and overlapping the lines. After doing whole the process, now we are going to start making patterns in it. Like this, I'm making different patterns. For example, making lines and filling one line and leaving one line black, making circles and filling the background black. Okay, you can make different patterns, whatever you like. And you will love the whole process when you do this, because you are making out of your mind. Whatever is in your mind, you are making that. And you will just feel in love with your Zentangle patterns. Once again, thank you so much everyone, those who are watching my videos, those who are loving my art. Thank you so much everyone. And first I'm outlining the lines and then creating the patterns in it. You can make different patterns like henna designs you can make, and you can also make only geometrical patterns, or you can mix both the patterns in one Zentangle art. You can do anything, whatever you want in your Zentangle art, because there's no kind of foundation, right? There is no kind of stress whenever you are doing these patterns. Even these are stress buster, I think. And when you do this, you feel meditative, you know you feel very calm when you do this, because you just indulge into one thing when you are doing this. And you are just gonna love this whenever you are free and you are having nothing to do. Please do this art, you will just love this. Seriously, it's like a kind of meditation process. You will feel very calm, and it even you know uh, gives you concentration power also, because you concentrate in it. Your thinking process is always on when you are doing this. You are thinking different patterns. It increase your creativity also when you are doing this. Like this, as I'm making, you can make any pattern, any any whatever you like, whatever is in your mind, you can make that. Somewhere I'm filling the background, somewhere I'm not filling the background. It is just upon you. Whatever you want, you can make. Now kind of henna design I'm doing here. And thank you so much, thank you so much everyone for subscribing my channel again and for liking my videos. Whenever you are doing the patterns, you just need to take care of the neatness, that your pattern should look neat, it should look beautiful. The only thing is here, and I think everyone can do this very well. I think when we do Zentangle art, we enjoy it very much, because there is no kind of stress that your art, like when we are doing landscape, portraits, there is a kind of stress in our mind. It's not kind of stress, but yes, there is a kind of a will in our mind that it should look beautiful, it should look same. When we are doing landscape, we want that it should look 3D. And so it's same when we are doing portrait, our portrait should look beautiful, or it should match with the face what we are making. So these kind of things run in our mind when we are doing landscape or other kind of drawings. That kind of mixing of colors, or when we are doing shading, merging techniques, each and all these things. But when you are doing this Zentangle patterns, nothing is going in your mind. You are just loving doing, feeling your work. It's just fun, guys. You are going to love this when you are going to make it. And a kind of masterpiece you can get after after 1 or 1.5 hour. It's your own, it's your own drawing. You can frame it and have on your wall. Love this. Thank you so much everyone. Enjoy watching these patterns what I'm making. You can color your patterns also. First color it and then do the sketch pen on it if you want to make colorful patterns. But I just chose black and white, because I love seeing black and white compositions. So because in other videos you have seen, I just do lot of things with colors, portraits, landscapes. You can see that in other videos. And This is the reason that I chose black and white for that. So like this, more half of the sheet I've done. Any patterns you can make, look the fineness, the neatness, the same, just you just have to maintain the neatness and the fineness of lines. And we are just going to finish it. Thank you so much guys. If you liked my video, then please hit the like button and subscribe it also. Thank you so much everyone. Like this, we have completed our Zentangle art. Bye bye everyone.